Hello, welcome to this video about licenses for open educational resources. I'm Sergio Martin, and I'm Associate Professor at UNED, the Spanish University for Distance Education. I'm also an IEEE senior member. Well, regarding licenses, we are seeing a shift in OERs from the all rights reserved of the copyright to the some rights reserved. That we can find, for example, in the Creative Commons licenses or in GPL. Basically, the Creative Commons license is the most used for open educational resources, and basically these licenses allow authors in a user-friendly way to grant other people the right to make copies of their work, and if they wish to, allow other people to adapt and share it. And of course, the author can decide to apply some restrictions like attribution or commercial use or any other kind of restriction. Here in this slide, we can see the range, the different kind of licenses, the Creative Commons licenses that we can apply, from the most open license to the least open. So the author can choose the one that fits better for his purpose. The most open license is the public domain license. A work is in the public domain if the intellectual property rights have expired, or if they have waived by the rights holder. In this case, we see here two logos, two pictures. The picture in the right means that the rights have expired. It means probably it's an old work and the rights have already expired. And in the second case means that there's no rights reserved. The author decided to provide the work to the public domain. And all Creative Commons licenses require that you credit the copyright holder when you are using their work. So attribution is basic for the Creative Commons licenses. You always have to attribute to the author of the work. And other characteristic is the Serie-like. The author can decide to let others copy, distribute, display, perform, or modify the work, as long as they distribute the work in the same way. It means that if I used some work with Creative Commons for creating this presentation, I have to provide this presentation with the same license. In this case, you see, like in the top of the slide, there's a logo, meaning that this slide, this video, is also provided with a Creative Commons license because I used Creative Commons resources to create it. And also the author can decide to allow others to make derivatives or not. It means to change the work, or you say that the other users just can't use it as it is. They can't make any change. And also the author can decide to allow it for commercial purpose or not. And here in this slide you see the combination. The permissions can be combined to give 6 different types of Creative Commons licenses, from the most open to the least open. For example, the least open means that you attribute and there's no commercial and there's no derivatives. So you just decide the level where you want to be. And that's all in this video. Thank you for watching and see you in next videos.